We have now added the option of drag and drop templates in turning when dropping it to a solid turning part. For example, say I want to put a face turn on this face over here. All I have to do is take that particular template that I created and drop it to that face. And we have the operation done. Taking a quick look at the simulation itself, you can see that that operation is done exactly the way I had it planned in my template. If I want to do, say, a turning on the outside, say from this face over here to this face over here, now we need to touch two faces, the start and the finish. So if I go to my template that I created for it, in this particular case, I have one here called outside turn on solid with finish. So as I drag to the first surface, before I let go, I hold my control button. Now I'll let go while holding my control button and then click on the second surface. Now I let go of my control and we have our two paths created. Again, looking at our simulation, you can see it does exactly what I wanted. Working on the outside, including the finish cut. Now let's take this one step further. I'd like to work on this particular groove over here. So for that, I have a groove turn on solid. Now, it helps in this particular case if you have a 3D connection, making it easier to get to the surfaces you need. I'm going to drag that particular template to that surface, holding my control. Now turning the part and clicking on the second surface over here. When I let go now, we have that operation created for that area over there as well. Let's take a look at the simulation on the entire part. We have our face, our outside turning, including the finish cut, and we also have our groove. Now, one more note should be noted when creating a template of this sort. Let me open up the outside turn, for example, and you'll note that when creating a geometry, and I'll go into edit, we always have the selection direction. When saving a template, be sure to check the include geometry direction. If you do not do this, when you do the drag and drop, it'll ask you then which direction you want to go in.